All right, so we've all heard about AI, right? I mean, we use it every single day. But have you ever thought about what if you could stop just using AI and start making it? That's what we're talking about today. We're going to get our hands dirty and see how you can start building your own AI projects, like right now.
And just so you know where we're at, everything we're covering today is from Chapter 8 of a 10-chapter course called An Introduction to Artificial Intelligence for Students ages 14 to 19, which comes from Virtualization Options LLC. Okay, with that out of the way?
So let me ask you something. When you hear build AI, what pops into your head? Probably a bunch of complicated code, right? Super expensive computers. Maybe you think you need a PhD. Well, I'm here to tell you that might just be one of the biggest myths out there.
Because honestly, the best, and I mean the absolute best way to really get how AI works, to understand its amazing power and, yeah, its limits too, is to build it yourself. So we're not going to waste any time. Let's get started. Okay, so for your very first AI project, we're going to train an image classifier, and we'll be using this awesome, totally free tool from Google called Teachable Machine. The best part? You don't need to know a single line of code. Seriously, you can teach an AI to recognize stuff, your hands, different objects, even your facial expressions, just by using your webcam.
And you'll see just how simple the whole process can be. It really just boils down to 4 basic steps. First up, you've got to choose your project. Decide what you want the AI to recognize. Keep it simple for your first try, like maybe 3 different hand gestures, a thumbs up, a peace sign, and a fist. Or you could grab a few different objects from your desk. Next, step 2 is to collect your training data. Now this part is super important. You'll use your webcam to take a bunch of pictures for each category. Think like 50 to 100 examples. And the key here is variety. Make sure you get different angles, change up the lighting, move closer and farther away. The more different examples you give it, the smarter your AI is going to get. Then step 3, train your model. This is like the magic button. You literally just click train, and in a minute or two, the AI just zips through all your pictures and starts to learn the patterns for each thing you showed it. And finally, step 4 is to test and refine. This is where the fun really begins. You show your new AI some things it's never seen before. Does it get it right? If it gets confused, that's not a failure, not at all. That's actually a clue that tells you exactly where your model needs a little more practice, a little more data to get better. So, once you've trained that first model, you're going to have this aha moment. You'll see this stuff is way more accessible than you thought. Now that you've got the basics down, let's look at some other tools and ideas to kind of expand your creator toolbox. Teachable Machine is an amazing place to start, for sure, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. There's a whole world of tools out there for beginners. You've got Scratch, which is perfect for building AI games with simple drag-and-drop blocks. Then there's ML5.js if you want to get creative with AI right in your web browser. Runway ML is awesome for artists who want to play with powerful pre-trained models. There's even AI Dungeon, where you can mess around with and learn from some seriously advanced text-generating AI.
Okay, so what can you actually build with all this? Man, the possibilities are just incredible. You could totally build a rock, paper, scissors game that learns how you play and tries to beat you. Or how about an AI that writes song lyrics for you? You could train a model to help sort your recycling, create a virtual pet that actually learns from how you treat it, or even make your own AI book recommender. The sky's the limit, really.
But here's the thing, and this is really important. The tools, they're only half the equation. To really crush it as a creator, you also have to adopt the right mindset. It's all about how you approach the whole process. And the biggest part of that mindset is just being okay with experimenting. Building AI is pretty much all trial and error. Your first model, and probably your second and third, they're not going to be perfect, and that is 100% normal. Actually, it's expected. Think of it this way. Every time your AI messes up, it's not failing. It's teaching you something valuable about how it thinks and where it gets confused.
And hey, you don't have to go it alone. Seriously, don't. The AI community is awesome and super supportive. Grab some classmates, work on a project together, share what you've built with your friends, hop on some online forums. Working with other people just sparks better ideas and helps you blast through problems you might get stuck on by yourself.
As you're just getting started, I want you to remember this. Every single expert in AI, every single one of them, was once a beginner. They all started with simple, small projects, just like the ones we're talking about right now.
See, your journey to becoming an AI creator doesn't start with some fancy degree or a high-paying job. Nope, it starts with just being curious. It starts with one little experiment. So I guess my only question for you is, what are you going to create today?